Which of the following is not a type of computer bus? Option A, address bus. Option B, data bus. Option C, control bus. Option D, memory bus. And option E, logic bus. The correct option is option E, logic bus. Which layer of OSI model ensures reliable data transfer? Option A, network layer. Option D, data link layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, physical layer. And option E, session layer. And the correct option is option C, transport layer. What is the full form of VPN? Option A, virtual private network. Variable public network. Option C, virtual public node. Option D, verified private network. And option E, visual private network. And the correct option is option A, virtual private network. Which of the following is an example of real-time operating system? Windows 10, Linux, VxWorks, MS-DOS, or macOS? And the correct option is option C, VxWorks. What is the default port number of HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 20, 21, 23, 80, and 443. And the correct option is option D, 80. Which device convert digital signals to analog signals? Option A, router. Option B, switch. Option C, modem. Option D, repeater. And option E, hub. And the correct option is option C, modem. What is the what does E in email stand for? Option A, electronic. Option B, electric. Option C, encode. Option D, exchange. And option E, encrypt. And the correct option is option A, electronic. Which of the following is not a valid file transfer? Option A, FAT32. Option B, NTFS. Option C, ext4. Option D, HDFS. And option E, HTTP. Which of the following is not a valid file system? And the correct option is option E, HTTP. Which of the following is used for database management? Option A, Oracle. Option B, MySQL. Option C, SQL Server. Option D, all of the above. And option E, none of the above. The correct option is option D, all of the above. Next, what is the binary equivalent of decimal 25? 11101, 10101, 11100, 10011, 11010. And the correct option is option A. Which of the following is not a programming language? Python, Java, HTML, C++, or Pascal? And the correct option is option C, HTML. What is the function of a router? What is the function of a router? Store data, connect different networks, print documents, scan images, perform calculation. And the correct option is option B, connect different network. Which of the following is a volatile cache memory? L1 cache, hard disk, SSD, DVD, Blu-ray. And the correct option is option A, L1 cache. Which key is used to open Task Manager directly? Which key is used to open Task Manager directly? Control plus Alt plus Delete, Control plus Shift plus Escape, Alt F4, Windows R, Control T. And the correct option is option B, Control plus Shift plus Escape. Next, what is the main function of DNS? What is the main function of DNS? Encrypt data. B, convert domain name to IP address. Option C, transfer files. Option D, secure connection. Option E, store data. The correct option is option B, convert domain name to IP address. Which of the following is a type of malware? Which of the following is a type of malware? Option A, Trojan horse. Option B, worm. Option C, spyware. Option D, ransomware. And option E, all of the above. The correct option is option E, all of the above. Which of the following is used for version control? Git, Excel, PowerPoint, Chrome, Windows. And the correct option is option A, Git. What is the full form of URL encoding %20? Option A, tab. Option B, space. Option C, enter. Option D, slash. Option E, dot. And the correct option is option B, space. Which memory is non-volatile but readable? Option A RAM, option B ROM, option C EEPROM, option D cache, option E register. And the correct option is option C EEPROM. Which of the following is not a web browser? Which of the following is not a web browser? Option A Chrome, option B Firefox, option C Safari, option D Edge, option E Linux. And the correct option is option A Linux. Which of the following is an example of secondary storage? Cache, register, RAM, hard disk, or CPU? And the correct option is option D hard disk. Hard disk is a secondary storage memory. What is the full form of MAC address? Machine access code, media access control, memory access code, main access control, or media address code? And the correct option is option B media access control. Which of the following protocol is used for email receiving? SMTP, FTP, POP3, HTTP, SNMP. And the correct option is option C POP3. Next, what is the size of 1 byte? So 1 byte is equal to how many bits? 4 bits, 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, or 64 bits? The correct option is option B 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit.